All right, everybody, we're out in Temecula today and we're doing something that I've done twice this week and I haven't done all year yet. So in the same week, I had the same issue. So I want to show you what's up. We're right here near Old Town Temecula. So we have a problem with the drip system, but let me show you the details. So this is the culprit. So we have two valves. This one, it's a little dirty, I know, that's why I have my gloves on. It does a raised garden bed and there's like no pressure coming out, and it's a lot of drip tubing. And then this one we're just rebuilding because the other one's bad. So what we did is we rebuilt the actual control valve because that could have been the issue. And we're next gonna replace this filter regulator. This is gonna be the hard part, but we're gonna put a larger one in, a 40 PSI, which is what it should have been. And I'll show you why. Back here in the garden bed in Temecula, there's a bunch of this, what we call inline emitter tubing or Menifee. It's all through here. There's 4 different planter beds. So not a huge area, but there's a lot of tubing. So because there's so much tubing, we have to put in a 40 PSI regulator. They should have had one to begin with because I think they've actually added more over the years, more tubing, so more demand for water. So check it out. Right now, hardly any water comes out. We're gonna get this thing working. Job is done. It's not pretty, but got new regulators. I washed this all down, so there's a little water in there. We're gonna put the lid on because it's a wrap. Let me just show you one more thing, what it looks like now that the pressure is high. Here you go, you can hear it and you can see it. It's got a few holes in it, but all the planters have full pressure now, working much better. I think the client put some little holes in it to spray, but whenever you're running Menifee or inline tubing like this, always better to do 40 PSI regulators. Don't do 30, you'll thank yourself later.